Hey, future researchers! Today, I'm here to guide you through crafting an impressive literature review for your school research report. Whether you're diving into the depths of science, exploring historical mysteries, or analyzing literary masterpieces, the literature review is your roadmap, showing where others have journeyed before you. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a literature review? Think of it as a treasure map. It's a section in your research that outlines what previous scholars have discovered about your topic. It's not just a summary though. It's your chance to show connections, highlight gaps, and set the stage for your own exciting discoveries. Now, how do you start? Your first mission is to gather your sources. Look for books, academic journals, and credible websites. Remember, quality over quantity. It's like forming your own dream team of experts. Make sure to choose sources that are not only relevant but also provide a deep dive into your topic. Once you have your sources, it's time to read. Yes, really read them, not just skim through. As you read, take notes. Write down important points, arguments, and findings. This isn't just busy work. These notes are the building blocks of your literature review. Now, let's talk structure. Start by introducing your topic. Why is it important? What are the main questions or problems that scholars are trying to solve? Then, organize your review around themes or methodological approaches, rather than just summarizing one source after another. This will help create a narrative flow, making your review more engaging and easier to understand. And, for instance, if your topic is about renewable energy, you might have themes like solar power advancements, challenges in wind energy, and future trends in renewable technologies. Each theme will cover different sources that discuss these aspects. Next up, critical analysis. This is where your voice starts to shine. Don't just present what others have said, discuss it. What are the strengths and weaknesses of these studies? Do you see any patterns or trends? How do these studies relate to your own research question? This analysis shows that you're not just a passerby in the realm of scholarship, you're an active participant. Lastly, wrap up your literature review by summarizing the major points and highlighting any gaps in the research. This sets the stage for your research to make a mark. Maybe there's a question that hasn't been answered yet, or perhaps there's a method that could be improved. That's your cue. Remember, a great literature review is clear, coherent, and critical. It shows that you understand the landscape of your topic and are ready to add your own contribution. So take your time, be thorough, and let your curiosity lead the way. You've got this. Now go forth and craft a literature review that would make any scholar proud. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Happy researching!